Burton, of course, was battling Robbie Gordon in the 7 car. Robbie's a lap down. Jeff came down the racetrack a little bit.
It's not going to work.
He saved it.
And McMurray saved it.
Unbelievable.
What an incredible save. Do you know how
NASCAR racing is a sport filled with close calls and near misses. These are NASCAR's greatest saves. They are unbelievable. Newman shows off some of his dirt track racing skills by pulling off an unbelievable save. Another one from Newman. He does a great burnout and drift save to keep it straight. He headed straight for the pit road after the save. Ron Hornaday and Johnny Sauter save at Kansas. Hornaday tries to make the pass, but there is contact with Sauter, and he skids sideways and almost hits the wall. Both drivers were able to make a save, and Johnny Sauter went on to win the race. Kyle Busch saves it at Daytona. Busch is undeniably one of the best drivers in NASCAR's modern history. He saves it at lap 54. Kyle Busch again. He also saves it at lap 74 while in second position. Kyle Busch's save. Busch is an exceptional driver. His car makes a 360-degree spin, but he was able to put the car under control at 150 miles per hour. He misses the wall by a fraction of a hair. Every other car on the track avoided crashing into him. Kyle Busch's spectacular save. He spins the car and saves it. Although the car drifts into the grass, he was able to get it back on track. Kyle Busch's save at Kentucky. He moves the car sideways and saves the car. Jimmy Johnson's save. He lost control and spun out during the Dover 400 qualifying session in 2006. Even though it ruined his lap and forced him to start near the back, the driver still managed to avoid hitting the walls. He spun out on the exit of the final corner as he came around it to begin the lap. The car performed 2 360-degree spins while avoiding the wall, which made the incident all the more amazing. During that spin, the number 48 car came dangerously close to crashing at least 3 times. Bobby Labante's save at Daytona. He was nudged from the side by a car that had gotten loose and was running out of the track. The car narrowly avoided hitting the wall. Amazing skill was required to keep the car in its lane. Brad Keselowski's save at Dover in lap 106. He loses it right in front of Clint Bowyer, but was able to make a drift to keep his car straight. Brad Keselowski's save at Pocono. Another one from Brad Keselowski in Pocono. AJ Allmendinger's save at Dover. AJ was able to muster a save in his 43. Joey Logano's save in Kansas. Matt Kraft and John West Townley make an incredible save. John West Townley's save. West Townley makes an incredible move to save his car from a crash. He goes sideways and does a long drift. Jamie McMurray's save. People don't realize how hard this car is to drive, and Jamie took it to a higher level. He makes a massive drifting save over a long period of time. Kevin Harvick's save. He gets a good push from a car behind, and he goes off track beyond the yellow line. He locks up to avoid a crash. Brian Vickers' save. A lawn mowing save. Brian Vickers runs into the grass, but he was able to save his car. Michael Waltrip's save. Michael cut down in front of somebody. He skids off the racetrack, but saves it. After getting hit at 194 miles per hour, Michael Waltrip was able to save his car. Joe Nemechek's save. He runs across the yellow line and narrowly misses the wall. The Dale Earnhardt pass in the grass. Trevor Bayne's save. Trevor Bayne keeps it off the wall and hangs on after contact from Danica Patrick. Denny Hamlin's save in Richmond. Denny Hamlin goes sideways after contact from behind, but he manages to keep it straight. He locks the front tires up. So much skill with that one maneuver. Christopher Bell save at Vegas. We can't get over the save by NASCAR Cup Series rookie Christopher Bell at Las Vegas. He makes an insane save in Stage 2 of the Pennzoil 400 from Las Vegas Motor Speedway.